Hey there! Welcome to eTollfree's guide on setting up your cloud phone system. Now we are about to set up an outbound destination in the cloud phone system. This allows you to forward calls to a third-party phone number and can be particularly useful for businesses that need to route calls to different locations or individuals. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to Dial Plans, then select Destination. Click the Add Plus button to add a new outbound destination. If you don't see the Add button, please reach out to our customer support team for assistance. You'll need to fill out 3 fields. Country code, add 1 for the country code. Destination. Enter your 10-digit number under Destination. You can also add details under Description, especially if you have multiple numbers set up, then save. Now that you have the outbound number set up, click Inbound button, then choose your eTollfree number that you want to forward calls from. Go to Action, then select the number that you want to forward your calls to. You're all set! Remember, setting up an outbound destination is a crucial step in managing your call flow in eTollfree's cloud phone system. It allows you to direct calls to the right places, ensuring efficient communication within your organization. Happy dialing! And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.